Where the hell is this guy?
हमेशा लेट करता है चूतिया।
मेरा बीपी लो हो रहा है।
Why don't you guys call?
मेरा बैलेंस भी लो है, तू कर ना।
मैं बिजी हूँ।
चूतिया फिर से कोई नया डेटिंग ऐप इंस्टॉल किया होगा।
अरे कोई तो कॉल करो।
I have been calling him. नहीं उठा रहा। What took you so long?
गणेश की मंडप बन रहा है, सब शॉर्टकट्स बंद, एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई नीड टू गिव यू अ 101 ऑन हैदराबाद ट्रैफिक। अनएंडिंग ट्रेजेडी है।
Fuck, it's going to be 11 days of pure torture.
Before these proceeds further, let me give you an introduction of them. ये है अश्विन. He is a sprinter. His love for speed is not just limited to the tracks. मुंह भी खोलता है तो उसके आधे शब्द ऐसे भागते हैं जैसे आखिरी लोकल पकड़ने को निकले हो. This is Sunaina. She is a theatre artist who is absolutely cool and amazingly abusive. 90% of her sentences either starts or ends with Chutiya. This is Pavni. She is pursuing CS. She loves beer. पिलाना ना पिलाना दोनों में मुसीबत. ना पिलाओ तो बीपी गिर जाएगा, पिलाओ तो माता छट जाएगी. और ये है नंदू, सबका बंधु. He is an IT employee who has got 200 plus dating apps in his 2-year-old phone and still installing the new ones in order to not to miss out any. That is his love for women. And he also has a habit of giving faltuka advices on everything to everyone at every time and everywhere. All of them are from different backgrounds and profession with different attitudes, but there are few similar things like how they get influenced by social networking forwards, their love towards beer, and the twist in their talks after beer. And me, Pradeep Valaja, a filmmaker. पीते ये हैं और जेब में छेद मेरे होते हैं. Anyways, let me present you Beer Breakdowns episode 1. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi.
Fuck, it's going to be a pure torture for 11 days.
Seriously man, why do they do all this? Waste of everything. पहले लोगों से पैसे लूटते हैं, 11 दिन के बाद सब कुछ पानी में डाल देते हैं. And then in the name of cleaning that water and that surrounding area, government spent a shitload of money. Waste of money, waste of manpower, waste of electricity, waste of time, sub waste.
Forget about things that are being wasted. Think about pollution. They are producing every kind of pollution that exists on this planet. Air pollution, water pollution, sound pollution. The whole environment is being polluted.
You guys make sense. Yeah, Pradeep, why don't you make an awareness video on this? Like that anti-smoking ad जो आता ना theaters में, which goes like this. खुशी कौन नहीं चाहता, लेकिन किस कीमत पर? गणेश चतुर्थी महंगा पड़ता आपके लिए और आपके चाहने वाले के लिए.
नहीं तो इस शहर को ये हुआ क्या? जहां मंडप वहां ट्रैफिक, कोई क्यों कुछ नहीं बोलता? बहुत हो गया बर्दाश्त. चूतियापा ना करे ना करने दे. Done.
Yeah, on this note, let's bottoms up everyone.
Our city is going to look beautiful for the next 11 days.
Yeah, it is going to be a treat to the budding photographers.
अभी तो कुछ और बोल रहा था. Waste of this, waste of that.
तू भी तो बोली थी, pure torture.
वो तो इन चूतियों का इन्फ्लुएंस था.
Same to same, मेरा भी वही प्रॉब्लम है.
हाँ यार, pollution और traffic तो हर दिन होता है. People who point out this should point out themselves for unnecessary usage of their cars, air conditioners, etc. etc.
वही तो साला पूरा साल इतना इतना करके प्लैनेट का मर्डर तो कर ही रहे हो. They don't see how it affects our environment. दूसरों की खुशी आंखों में खलती है. साला एक दिन का फेस्टिवल ना मनाने का कौन सा झंडा गाड़ दोगे?
यार एक तो साल भर कुछ नहीं करते, लेकिन ये 11 दिन के लिए सबका मुंह टेप रिकॉर्डर की तरह चलता है. पोल्यूशन पोल्यूशन. और unnecessary usage of cars and air conditioners की बात चले तो बोलते हैं necessities are important, not celebrations. लेकिन why don't they understand इस celebrations की वजह से कितने लोगों के basic necessities पूरे हो जाते हैं?
Yeah man, let's just consider Ganesh Chaturthi. कितने लोगों की खुशी और कमाई बनती है इस फेस्टिवल से.
Exactly. Starting from our idle craftsmen to transporters,
मंडप बनाने वाले, decorators,
Photographers or videographers?
बैंड वाले, मिठाई वाले,
Security guards, flower vendors,
क्रेन वाले, पुरोहित,
even the excise department.
and also various lakhs of skilled and non-skilled laborers who gain money.
Last but not the least, even the government makes some money.
You know, only last year it was estimated that Ganesh Chaturthi generated over 20,000 crores across the nation.
Yeah, even I heard. Isn't that awesome? There is no point of wastage here. Everything is getting utilized.
If government and people take some measures, there will be nothing which will be as good as Indian festivals.
Seriously, how cool are these festivals? Lights, band, dance, girls, pure awesomeness. Yeah, Pradeep, why don't you create awareness?
Yes, awareness to the chutias of our country to observe our Indian festivals in a proper way.